We have two different series at the flexible connectors. The first one, it's a circular with a rectangular flange. We have there a female and a male panel mount and two plugs, a straight one and an angled one. The advantage is that we have a flexible movement on the panel mount. That makes it very convenient if you want to make a certain angle on your battery if you place the connector on the top of the battery. The other one, it's even more flexible, but only in one direction. You can see it's only flexible in one way, not 360 degrees. The technical specifications are the same. 30 amps for the power and 2 amps for the signal, which is containing 4 of the signal connectors and 2 power pins. So if you are interested in more news about these flexible connectors, contact one of our sales guys.